Now, this isn't really going to make a lot of sense financially, but for the purpose of this video, we're now going to go ahead and sell that Bitcoin that we just bought. I am going to eat a lot of costs here on that fee compared to the dollar amount that we invested, but I do want you guys to know how this works. So we're going to go ahead and click on the back button now, and we're going to go over to my assets, and we can see here that we have $1.55 in the United States dollar account and $47.55 in Bitcoin. So if I want to sell Bitcoin, we're going to click on the asset itself. And there's a few things I want to show you here. If you are selling it to convert it into another asset, you can actually do that right here by clicking on the convert button. And if you wanted to, for example, convert it into Ethereum, this would be the easier route, and it can be more fee sensitive versus basically selling it into US dollar and then using the US dollar to buy the Ethereum. So you might want to consider a conversion here if you're just looking to swap from one crypto asset to another. But we just want to do a straight up sale here. So we're going to click on sell, and it's going to by default put it into our US dollar coin wallet, but I want to actually change that to just my regular US dollar wallet. So if you want to sell everything, you're going to click on the sell all button, and now we're going to take a look again at the fees involved. So same as before, we're going to end up paying $1.99 in fees, and there's also that 1% spread to be aware of. So we're going to end up with about $45, which means that I've pretty much evaporated $5 just in fees and the spread, but you know, for the purpose of this video, it's good so you know how this all works. And when you're ready, you just click on the sell now button at the bottom, and then you can view the order, and it should fill near immediately. So if we scroll down and refresh, now you can see a $0 balance in my Bitcoin wallet, and if we click here, we can see that it sold at 63,000. So just to show you how quickly the price changes here and how that 1% spread can make a difference, we bought it here at 64,300, but then we sold it and the price here was 63,000 flat. So the fees and the spread can add up quickly when you're trading in and out of the crypto asset. That's why I wouldn't recommend short-term trading in crypto. It's more of a long-term investment in my opinion, and anytime I've made money with this asset, it's through a long-term investment.